Play free. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when I'm without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you. Feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross. Drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, apparal, grab a towel. But we cheer to the governor. One of the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, no. We got this, rest assured. When I think about it, there's a way.
Are you excited? Yay!
Lately when without you, I know there's something really special made me think about you, about you, about you, you. I've been feeling nothing.
Okay, great. That is basically the reason we plan to visit here.
About you, about you, you.
Oh my god, just the ambience is such a wonderful place. Oh my god, just loving this So guys, finally हम लोग पहुंच गए where I have planned Gaurav's birthday, and to be honest tell you guys, this is such a wonderful place and you can see the view, and we are right on the 31st floor. So Amelia, how are you feeling?
Good.
You like this place?
Yes.
Truly? So Papa ka birthday hai and you're really feeling very good, right?
Yes. Me photo.
Okay. Naishi, say hi.
Hi. Me take Aya.
So here comes our camera shy boy and the birthday person.
This is all about the sushi experience you want to have. Then the dim sum and then the Thai curry or something with the Thai. We have sushi, dim sum and the...
Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when I'm without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you, 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 about you, you, you.
the maki rolls. So
Okay.
nigiri is basically the rice goes inside and the stuffing comes on the top. And the sushi roll, when it is rolled, then it becomes the maki roll.
Okay.
So how he is preparing for the nigiri. So he will be making avocado nigiri for you. So as I told, it's a whole experience. So you will be getting different types of sushis in that. So one is the nigiri type and then the different types of maki.
I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you, about you.
So Amelia and me are watching the live recipe of the sushi, that how they are preparing. Like हमने sushi veg sushi order किया है, and the top ingredients in our sushi are avocado and carrot, right? Yeah.
And look at now his trap is I don't know where it is.
यहाँ तो हम लोग अभी काउंटर पे बैठे हैं, लाइव काउंटर, एंड जस्ट हैविंग अ लुक एंड कि ये हमारे लिए लाइव सुशी कैसे बना रहे हैं. सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर आवर मील टू कम. लेट्स सी. Amelia, are you excited for your sushi? Yes. Yes. Should we have that? Is this?
Nurishi. It is called nurishi.
Okay.
It's found in the sea. Algae we call.
Algae, yeah.
Similar to that. Okay?
So can I see?
You can feel it like it's like a plastic, but it's very like this. So it becomes maki roll.
Okay.
When it is not there, that means it is nigiri.
Nigiri.
He will show you how it is actually made.
Okay.
So now he is making a nigiri. So like this, I told the rice ball you have to make, and then he will give a shape to that, and then he will put the avocado on the top, and he will just keep this to tie the sushi.
Okay.
So that is called nigiri.
Nigiri, yeah.
And in this case, when they are making rolls, in this case they have put
They'll
the
wrap
rice.
whole of the
so
ingredient.
This is a sticky rice, special rice,
Okay.
which is vinaigrated with apple and orange flavor in
Okay,
this.
okay.
So when you will have a bite, you will have sweet and sour
Kind of flavor in it.
with the rice. And then they will put the rice in this and make a roll, stuffing inside and the top. That is maki.
Okay, maki roll.
And we will be getting the sushi. So this is what it's called omakase. So they feel it like sharing is caring.
Sorry?
Sharing is caring in Japan. So in this everything will come, keep it center of your table, and you have to just pick with the top. That's how
Fine.
they share everything.
Okay. So that's why they are, serving it in a single boat.
Yeah. So this is
Arthur Unit, Marshall Summit, Liddy Titty, hella tipsy, feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo, take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, one of the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, now we got this to rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd, smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning, somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you.
Now we are going back and we had a wonderful time here. And अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट हम लोग जा रहे हैं ओरायन मॉल बैंगलोर. because वो जो mall है it's very near to this place. So we plan to go there because वहाँ पे Christmas का बहुत अच्छा डेकोर है. So we thought of like अगर हम यहाँ पे आए ही हैं तो फिर मॉल भी चलते हैं. So now we are heading towards that because we Bye, good night.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, we're hosting tonight. You free? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when I'm without you. I know that something special made me think about you, you.
just look at the vibe of the Christmas and it's too good. मन ही नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे जाने का. Attraction of this mall. Okay, you can take it. You can go for it.
Arthur Unit, Marshall Summit, Liddy Titty, hella tipsy, feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo, take a foul shot and call it a free throw.
We are going for some shopping. Yeah, Amelia, are you excited? So guys, just look at the vibe. We had an amazing time over there और आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा लगा. दिन में एक्चुअल में थोड़ा शूट था मेरा, वो सब कंप्लीट किया एंड अभी हम लोगों ने वो सब कंप्लीट किया. बट अभी फिर हम रात को डिनर के लिए गए थे और दिस इज़ द ओनली टाइम जो हमारे पास था. So guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog. I hope you guys like it. Okay, Amelia, so please don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
yeah. Okay, good night, bye bye, and see you in another interesting vlog.
About you. I've been feeling nothing lately when I'm without you. I know that something special